Hi, my name is Louis. I'm the Regional Director for Fitbit in Southeast Asia, Hong Kong, Taiwan. I'm very happy to be in Manila today to share with you the official launch of the Fitbit Charge 3, which is our most advanced fitness tracker today. So what we have is the availability of the Fitbit Charge 3, which is our most updated product line after the Charge 2 will be available in Philippines towards the end of November this month. And it has got great features and improvements that encompasses elements of a smartwatch as well as the basic tracking functions to make it a very intelligent and useful product for all Filipinos who have faced difficulty in their fitness journey in Philippines. And this new product will incorporate features from smartwatch, for example, like calendar, alarms, timer, and even future apps from third-party brands that may be able to use. One thing that is interesting from a smartphone, from a smartwatch category, bringing it down to the Charge 3, is the ability to support multiple clock faces, and you can change the clock face according to the mood for today. So those are the key feature sets. The basic fitness tracker functions have also been improved. The algorithms, the ability to share insights with you. For example, in sleep tracking, we don't just track the number of hours sleep, we also track the insights for you. For example, are you light, deep? And we also will give you suggestions that you should be sleeping 8 hours a day rather than the 5 hours that we've seen over the last few tracking periods that you have indicated. So these are some of the intelligence. We also have the ability to provide support swimming now on the fitness tracker. It's swim proof up to 50 meters. You can track your swim, you can change the length of the pool so that your pace and your swimming activity can be monitored and tracked and give you the important data, how fast it took for you to complete that lap. So swim proof, smart calendar applications, timer, and all these other smart features have now been incorporated into the latest Fitbit Charge 3.
All right, so that's great, sir. I see that you're holding the box, sir. So can we show them?
Yes,
So
here you go.
This is the packaging
Yes.
of the Fitbit Charge 3. So
Yes.
I have the Fitbit Ionic here,
Ionic,
sir. So
yes.
the packaging is, I would say, almost the same, sir, right?
Yes.
So this is the image of the device
All right.
itself.
It's the same because we want to maintain some consistency in the brand image.
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason why all our packaging tends to look alike, because it then tells you a story. We do not have one size fit all. We have all kinds of product meeting the needs of a couch potato who wants to get a little more active.
Yeah.
And we have products for people who are already slightly active but want to get more active in the middle.
Yes,
and
sir.
for people like yourself who are performance users who want to have a GPS on board in order to map the run. So
Yes, sir.
Fitbit is basically a company that provides not a one size fit all, but many different types of products and different designs to meet the needs of different kinds of customers.
So maybe, sir, we can do a quick unboxing just for those who are curious about it.
Yeah.
Yes,
So-
sir. So this is the packaging, and then
This
It's okay, just
this
for them
has
to
already
see.
this has
Yeah.
already been unboxed,
yeah,
I believe.
No problem. Yes, sir. Later
Yeah.
we'll go there. Yeah.
Okay. So
So at the back, sir, of course, you have the different features
yeah.
there, right?
Yes.
Presented.
And yes, we have the different features behind. It's multilingual,
Yeah.
simplified, traditional Mandarin, Korean, Japanese, and of course English is default for Philippines. So, and then we have incorporated some of the key new features I mentioned earlier on about swim
Yep.
tracking. All right, it's swim-proof, swim-proof to 50
But the
meters.
previous version, sir, is not.
No, the
not-
previous version,
yeah.
Charge 2, wasn't. So, as I mentioned earlier on, Charge 3 is a fundamental evolutionary change where we add more features to our
Yes.
most best-selling product, which we sold 35 million units worldwide.
Wow.
Right?
It's
We
quite a
also,
bestseller,
yes,
right?
that's right. And we also have incorporated imagery, pictures of lifestyle to illustrate the fact that this Fitbit Charge 3 is something that is really a wearable because
Yeah.
it fits all occasion, formality,
Yeah,
as
whether
well
it's
as
a
casual
casual event or a formal
that's
event,
right.
yeah.
Ability to change its bands and so on. Right?
And then.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just show them what's inside the
Yeah.
box, sir. So when you pull it out,
Yes.
it's like
You
that.
see?
Wow. So
it's
we have
so
the
light.
unit
I wasn't
here,
sure if this product was inside. We're glad to know that it's inside.
Yes,
so
sir,
one
yeah.
of the other features in
So this
design,
is exactly how they will see it. It's
yes,
already
that's right.
strapped on.
That's
yeah.
right. Very light, very durable.
Yeah.
All right. And then what you notice is first to start, just download the Fitbit app, create your account, and follow the steps. And then
It's very easy.
Yes.
Yeah, we've all set it up.
All right.
Using the
That's
link
right.
here. Yeah.
And then power it up. All right. And then we basically follow the steps, and then it will pair to your phone via Bluetooth.
And the
then you
process
have
is actually very fast, right? The app itself would
Yes.
guide you through it.
Yeah, guide it through. And then if required, there may be a need for you to update the software, which may take up to 20-30 minutes,
Yeah,
depending on
depending
broadband.
on your connection,
Yes, the reason for updating the software is Fitbit continues to not just stay static. We continue to improve on the product, introduce
The
new
software
software
features,
capabilities that requires you to update your product. Also, we continue to fix any issues that our users may encounter, and that is the promise that we deliver to the market. Our company only does one thing, and we do it. We can try to do it right the first time, or we can try to keep improving
Yeah,
on it,
through
as
the
opposed
firmware
to selling it
upgrades.
to you and thank you very
then
much.
that's it,
Bye
yeah.
bye.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the unboxing is very nice, very
Yes, sir.
exquisite. What we have done is to redesign the whole bezel here with aerospace grade
So this
metal.
let's now talk about the design.
Okay.
By the way, sir, what's the content under this flap? Just so
Yes.
we can finish the
So
unboxing.
under this flap, what you see is the additional band.
Oh, so you have a
in the
free
box,
band.
one size fit all, so to speak, right? To
Uh-huh,
pardon the same statement.
Unlike
you
before that you have
yes.
different
So,
sizes,
yeah,
this one
This is small,
and
and then if you are a man, you just need to replace the
change
band.
that. Yeah.
Yes, that's
and
right.
it's only one side. So
Yes,
yeah.
that's right. So it's easier for customers to choose one box
Yeah.
and not worry selecting large or is it small.
That's great.
So small and large in one box. And then
Then
over here is the charging cable.
uh-huh.
All right, basically the charging cable,
Uh-huh.
and then all the necessary regulatory information.
And if you have time, just read the user manual. But if
Yes.
not, sir, it's
Yes.
actually very easy to use.
Yes,
right?
that's right,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay, so let's talk about the design. Perhaps it would be better if we go there just
Sure,
for them to see
alright.
all of the color options.
Please follow me. Yeah.
Okay, so here we have the full range of colors, right, sir?
Yes. So what we will be introducing in the Philippines will be the first two products. We call it the standard edition. It will be a black aluminum. It will be a black aluminum with a black band, followed by a rose gold bezel with a blue-gray band, as you can see.
That's interesting.
So we wouldn't want to say this is for women or men. It's really unisex because
Yeah.
some men may like lighter colors and
Yeah.
some women may like darker colors. So it doesn't mean a woman and man dichotomy here.
And I
Now-
like that you can wear them with any outfit, sir.
Yes,
right? The
that's
colors
right.
are very, I would say, universal in a sense.
Yes.
Any outfit that you want.
And any outfit is also complemented by the fact that we made the mechanism to attach
Oh, yeah,
and detach
super
very
easy.
easily. So
Is
you
it
can
magnetic, sir?
No, it's not magnetic.
Oh.
It's just basically a mechanism.
Oh, all right, yeah.
That
Can,
locks
can,
in
you
and
take a,
unlock.
can we take a closer look at it? Oh, there you go. And then when you clip it on, so it clips on, sir. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, very
and then
very
over
easy,
here,
very convenient.
there will be a release button. So again, the concept of versatility and adaptability to each and everyone's different personalities is present here. You can change the strap to the black color with this rose gold bezel or otherwise.
Yeah, that's very
Having
classy.
said that-
can you talk, sir, about the quality of the strap? Is it like
Yes.
Is it because some straps can irritate
Yes.
the skin, right?
Exactly.
This one, it won't.
Exactly. So we've learned a lot from our years in the business that some bands could irritate certain skin types.
Yeah.
Of course, at the end of the day, we cannot totally eliminate that. But what we have done is we work closely with international well-renowned skin
Yes, sir.
clinics and institutions to get feedback from them about the different skin types in the world. We also work with materials engineering companies to understand materials that can minimize skin irritation for different types of skin types. So what we have here is a scientific medical grade silicone. All right.
Scientific medical grade
Yes.
silicone. No, that's
Scientific.
That's quite unique.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's silicone. So what you can see is very nicely etched designs
Yeah,
here. So we
yeah.
put significant thought and quality into the material to minimize skin irritation, but at the same time make it very light, very comfortable,
And something
very,
you can
very
swim
durable.
with, right? Something
Yes,
that you
that's
can
right.
swim with, yeah.
Sweat-proof as well, so to speak.
Sweat-proof as
right?
well. That's great.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So you also have other strap options here, sir.
Yes, that's
All
right.
of these strap options will be available in the Philippines.
Yes, all these strap options, for example, the black
You have
spots,
the- yeah.
the orange spots, and the turquoise spots will be available in Philippines towards the end of the month as well.
These two are very eye-catching, sir. So I guess
Yes.
for the really
You're right, that's right. This is for people who go for night runs and have a very luminous
Are these
effect.
neons, or like they
No, they are
shine in
not.
the dark?
They are not. They're not shine. They do not shine in the dark, but they're bright enough to be spotted in the crowd.
When light hits them, right?
Yes, that's right. Over here we have two.
These are
woven,
interesting. I love this.
Yes, these are woven bands.
Very
right?
Flyknit-like.
Yes, like jeans material. All right, very clothy material.
These are. Is this cloth, sir, or not?
Yeah, this is woven.
Ah, woven. Okay.
Woven.
Okay.
It's woven.
Yeah.
Right. So this is for people who, in the day, might be a little sporty, but at night they want to be a little more on the fashion to match their wardrobe.
Plus, there's some rubber shoes that actually have this as like Nike Flyknit, right? But they have this design. Some of the rubber shoes and the running shoes now, they have this kind of
woven material. Correct. Yeah, exactly. You just hit the nail.
Matches. Matches that.
Right. That's right.
And then, sir, we have.
And over here we have the blue leather and the brown leather.
So these are genuine leathers. Sir.
These are genuine Horwin leather. Horwin is a US brand that makes horse saddle. So that speaks to the quality and sturdiness of the quality of the leather that is being used here.
So what can you say, sir, about the quality, the durability? Like, is it something that will go soft after a while? So what can you say about it?
I think the leather is something that you grow on, all right? But the quality of the leather we use, as I mentioned, the Horwin is the company in the US that makes horse saddle. So you can imagine how sturdy and durable that quality of leather is as it ages over time.
It's very nice, very nice. So this is something you can swim with this, right?
You should not swim with leather.
You get another strap.
Yeah,
for
you
that.
should swim with the sports band, silicone.
Yes. Because the idea here, sir, is that this is actually a band that you can wear to any event. Like you can just change the strap and you're on to another activity, right?
That's right.
That's the concept behind it.
As I mentioned, we focus on one design element. And that design element is called adaptability and versatility. So the ability to interchange bands to fit different occasions, different sports modes is one key feature that our consumers want, and here it is available now.
Wonderful. So I like that Fitbit has a full range of different fitness smartwatches. You call them that now, right?
Yeah.
So where does Fitbit Charge 3 fit in your current product line?
Right. In the where it fits is this. First, the overall category is called wearables. In this wearable category, it's broken down into smartwatches and fitness tracker. So what Fitbit is doing is continue to extend our fitness tracker line by developing more advanced fitness tracker. All right, and then at the same time, with our move into smartwatch, which we have successfully done since 14 months ago, we are now the number 2 smartwatch brand in the world, and we came from nowhere. So we'll continue to introduce new products in smartwatch, but we will continue to make our fitness tracker even more advanced and a little smart with things like smart notifications, calendar, apps, and so on. So that's the direction for Fitbit. We will provide solutions for different age group, different demographics, and different usage across all the portfolio of products and demand.
Yes, sir. So can I just, for those who haven't used a Fitbit product, sir, can we do a quick demo on the Fitbit Charger and how to use it, sir? So I just move closer to you. All right.
So what we have done is to make the whole information dashboard available on your fitness tracker screen.
All right.
What you see here is a very bright OLED screen with grayscale as the backdrop, and it's very bright. And as you can see, the touch screen, I can do a flip up.
When you flip up, you see?
Yeah, you see your steps. All right. The steps over the active minutes. All right. And then my heartbeat. I'm very excited now talking to you. I walked 3.78 kilometers so far since 12 a.m. this morning. I burned 1,500 calories.
Okay.
I've climbed one flight of steps, which is about 2.5 meters elevation.
Okay.
And then this is the energy use,
Can we show
which
them,
is
sir?
not showing. Yeah.
Okay, so the energy use. Okay.
And then that is the active minutes. which is now 0 because I haven't been doing vigorous exercise. But
That's
last
all right,
night I slept 5 hours 42 minutes. I'm very embarrassed to share this with you, but I was so excited to prepare for the Philippine event. I was looking through my PowerPoint slide.
Yeah, that's a good number of sleep, right?
So now is such
number of hours of sleep. Yeah.
So this is really fundamentally a game changer. We now allow people to see their sleep data on the device itself.
How's the battery life, by the way, sir? Speaking of that, because you can wear this day and night, right? So how's the battery life, sir?
Yes, in order to support all the sleep tracking capabilities and also meet the consumer demands of today, we have developed a product with the objective of a very long battery life. And for Charge 3, it comes with 7 days battery life.
7 days battery life?
7 days
wow,
battery
that's
life.
Tremendous.
Yes,
that's tremendous.
right.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's go back, sir.
Yeah, sure. And then we also have things like your weight, as well as hydration, how much water you drink. But
it can measure that?
Yes, it can measure that. But it currently supports third-party products that will be able to connect to the Fitbit app and send data how much water you drank today. We do have a Fitbit weighing scale called the Area 2, which maybe some of your listeners may want to check out.
Then it can pair with that.
That's right. That's right. All right. So and then besides that, we can select up
there
to
are many others,
6 exercise modes on the device, but it supports up to 15. On the Fitbit app, you can choose what your default 6 exercises are. What I have chosen is set run, biking, swimming, interval timing for interval training, yoga. All right. So if I'm doing yoga, I will just start it, and it will track my yoga workout. Right?
Oh,
it will track my heart rate. All right.
Through the entire
routine. Yes. So what I'm doing is another interesting thing is you've noticed there is no button here. It's actually our inductive button. So it's touch sensitive. We've done it in such a way to make sure that it becomes waterproof. So we designed a very interesting.
So no need for buttons, right?
Yes, that's
for
right.
hardware buttons.
So I finished my yoga. All right, nice job. As you can see, very, 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 very nice. And we also have a relax app. So in a very stressful traffic jam in Manila, stuck in a jam for 2 hours, for example, you want to take a couple of 2 minutes of deep breath while you're stationary. You can do that. You tap it here. It tells you be still. Take slow deep breath. Be still. What is happening is calibrating your heart rate, and then be able to then give you the exhale and inhale along the line of the calibrated heart rate that we are detecting now. So this is another interesting feature that your users will find very helpful.
Okay, that's
nice. Cool. I think that's about it.
So that's it, sir.
Yep.
Okay, that's interesting because of course, taking a break and relaxing is also part of one's fitness, right?
Yes,
you can't always be moving, so there has to be periods of rest as well.
Correct.
That's wonderful. So, wonderful product. Of course, this will be available via your distribution partner in the Philippines, which is Digits Trading.
And it will be should be in Philippines by the end of November, if not earlier. We are trying to do our best to meet the Christmas holiday
definitely within
period.
November 2018.
Yes, it will be in November, but at this moment in time, looking towards the end of November or earlier. We're trying to meet the deadlines for the Christmas shopping because it's the greatest gift you can give your loved ones without offending them.
That's true.
All right, and actually motivating them with their New Year's resolution.
It's very classy, actually. They can wear it to any event. It's not just for fitness, right? You can also wear this as your accessory going to an event.
That's right.
So, can you talk about the pricing, sir?
Yeah, I can't recall the pricing. It will be It will start for this product. The Fitbit Charge 3 Black will start with 9,990.
Is that correct, sir?
Peso.
9,990. Okay.
And the special edition will be 10,990.
Okay, that's great. How about the straps, sir? Do you have pricing for the straps now?
1,600 to 3,000.
Yeah. The straps, like the sports straps I have here, will be 1,620 peso. About there. Yes.
Yeah, that's actually great. Actually, you can just buy the standard version and get something like this.
Yes. And this will be 2,290 peso. The woven band. Okay.
This one can actually go from like sporty to like formal, right?
Yeah, this is formal rather than sporty because you don't want to sweat in this one. The sportsman will be different. And it will end with the leather band at 2,990 peso.
2,990 pesos.
Two, a brown and a blue leather. Very
so
nice. You
very
can smell the
nice.
leather here.
Actually, you can buy, I would say it's 10,000, right, for the Fitbit charge and add additional 3,000, 13,000
Yes.
to 15,000. You already have a cool new
Yes.
watch for
Yeah.
the new year, right?
Yes, as I said, we don't have one size fit all. We have a full product lineup. We also have a full accessory lineup that gives you all an option to meet your own personal objective and mission statement, which is the same as Fitbit, to make yourself much more healthier.
That's great. Digits Trading Corporation, of course,
Yes.
is behind Beyond the Box and Digital
Yes,
Walker, so
that's
they
right.
can get these devices there as
And
well.
digital walker stores are available in most of the major famous malls in Philippines.
nationwide.
Yes.
So thank you so much,
Okay.
sir, for showing us the amazing Fitbit Charge 3. I'll definitely be using it, but actually, I love my
Yes.
Bionic here.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Okay.